Welcome to Saimaster Academy. Continuation of Maxima Minima. This is I think fifth video. So I explained from first video onwards introduction, small problems. I mean for like a very short answer and long answers also I am explaining. See from this maximum minima you will get one long answer for board exam. Sometimes you will get very short also since application of derivatives having two very shorts. Okay. So now this is also one of the very important long answer model question from maximum minima. Question what? A window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by the semicircle. A window is like old homes. In old homes, we have this type of windows only. ఒకప్పుడు ఉండే ఇలాంటి windows. ఒక rectangle, one rectangle and దీని మీద ఒక semicircle. So this type of windows ఇలా ఉంటాయి మధ్యలో. Doors ఇలా ఉంటాయి. So a window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. If the perimeter of the window is 20 feet, find maximum area. Means we have to prove the area as maximum and also we should find the maximum area also. Given only one thing, that is the perimeter of the window is 20 feet. Let this is the center of the semicircle and x is the radius, this also x. Then this length will be 2x. Since this is 2x, this is also 2x. And let this breadth will be 2y. Then this also will be 2y. And take 2y. Or you can take y, no problem. 2y or y, whatever it is, no problem. So this y means this also y. Since this is 2x, this is also 2x. What is given? Window perimeter. Complete window perimeter given means the perimeter of circle plus the perimeter of rectangle sheet is given 20 feet. That's what I am writing. Listen carefully. Solution. Let small x be radius of semicircle and y be length and 2x be, it will become 2x only. We don't need to take. Since we are taking x be the radius, now then it will be the 2x only. So 2x be breadth something of rectangle part. This rectangle part, length breadth given, and for the semicircle r is the radius. Now the given perimeter of the window is what? 20 feet. Given 1 minute. Given perimeter of window is equal to how much 20 feet. See, perimeter means, for example, first I am taking the perimeter of semicircle. See, perimeter of semicircle is nothing but what? Circle perimeter is what? If r is the radius, the perimeter is 2 pi r. Semicircle perimeter will be pi r only. Half of the perimeter of the circle is semicircle perimeter. That's what I am writing. See, perimeter of semicircle plus perimeter of rectangle is given 20. That only given in the question. Perimeter of semicircle, since x is the radius, it will become only pi x, not 2 pi x. For circle 2 pi r. Just a minute. For semicircle only pi r means pi x plus perimeter of rectangle. We know the formula 2 into L plus B. Actually, perimeter means what? For example, if this is the square, perimeter means we have to count this length, this length, this length, this length. That is 4 into x. 4x is the perimeter of the square. Suppose if we take rectangle LB, then we can write L plus B plus L plus B. That is 2 into L plus B. Means all sides we have to count. Total length we have to count. That is nothing but perimeter. Here what we are doing, we are finding already. We used already the perimeter of semicircle means this part already count. Now you have to, when you are writing the perimeter of this rectangle part from this window, you don't write this part again. Then it will be extra. That's why you have to write what? This plus this plus this. That is nothing but what? 2x plus y 2y is equal to 20. Many of the students getting confusion. They will write like 2 into 2x plus 2y. That is wrong. Why? Because already we wrote the perimeter part of this rectangle in semicircle. We don't write again. For areas it is okay. Area is this part. This is the area and this is the area. You can write separately, no problem. But when you come to perimeter, you don't write double. Okay, so this is the perimeter of semicircle. Already that part counted. That's why I'm not taking that part again for the rectangle perimeter. That is y plus 2x. That is 2x plus 2y is given 20. Just keep aside what we require. We can convert into that part. If you need in terms of x, 2y equal. If you need in terms of y, 2x equal. That we will write later. Now come to what? We have to prove what? Maximum area of the window. Area of window is area of semicircle plus area of rectangle. That only na window area means both areas we have to add. So that is nothing but the function, that is f of x is equal to area of semicircle. Circle area is pi r square, where r is the radius. Here x is the radius. That is nothing but what? Pi x square. But pi x square is the area of the circle. Here semicircle area is pi x square by 2 plus area of the rectangle. Rectangle area is nothing but L into B. Here also rectangle area is nothing but L into B. But what is L, what is B, you have to see carefully. This is 2x, this is 5. So you have to write what? 2 into y into x. So these completely, if you add, you will get the area of the window. We have to prove this is nothing but what? Maximum, and also we have to find the maximum area. So I am writing here one more step, that is pi x square by 2 plus 2y. I want to write in terms of x. That's why from this one I am writing, this implies 2y is equal to 20 minus pi x minus 2x minus pi x minus 2x. So I am substituting this 2y in place of 2y. That is nothing but what? 20 minus pi x minus 2x into x. This 2y only I wrote here. Now just simplify it. F of x is equal to pi x square by 2 and 20 into x, that is plus 20x minus pi x square minus 2x square, which is equal to pi x square, we have two times pi x square terms. So if you do LCM, this 2 comes here, that is minus pi x square plus pi x square will be minus pi x square. So first I am writing 20x, then I am writing minus 2x square, minus 2x square. Then I am writing pi terms. This is minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, that is minus pi x square by 2 is nothing but equation number 1. This is the area of the window. Now do derivation with respect to x. Now I am doing derivation, that is f dash of x. Listen carefully. F dash of x is equal to 20x derivation will be 20 and minus 2x square will be minus 4x and minus pi by 2x square will be minus pi by 2 into x square derivation 2x. 2 cancel. So what is the remaining part? 20 minus 4x minus 5x. And I am doing again double derivation. F double dash of x is equal to 20 derivation will be 0, minus 4x derivation will be minus 4, minus pi x will be minus pi, which is nothing but minus of pi plus 4, which is clearly less than 0. Since f double dash of x less than 0 means the area is clearly maximum or minimum. Less than means maximum only. So I am writing here. Therefore, area of window is maximum. Area of window is maximum. But he is asking what is the maximum area. For that we need the value of x. Then we can substitute in this x. What is x value? You substitute, you will get the maximum area. So first of all, to find x, we need to make f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. That implies what? This is only f dash of x. 20 minus 4x minus pi x is equal to 0. I am taking negative terms that side. That implies 20 is equal to 4x plus pi x. And we can take x common from this. That is 20 is equal to x into pi plus 4. Now the value of x is equal to 20 by pi plus 4. This is the x value. Just substitute this in 1. Just substitute here. You will get the maximum area. I am writing here. That is f of 20 by pi plus 4. For maximum area we are finding. That is equal to 20 into x. So 20 into 20 by pi plus 4 and minus 2 into 20 by pi plus 4 whole square and minus pi by 2 into 20 by pi plus 4 whole square x square. Now if you do LCM, what do you get LCM, 2, first of all 2, there is no 2 anything with that, no? And pi by 4 whole square, pi by 4 whole square, pi by 4, you will get pi by 4 whole square, pi by 4 whole square. Now here there is no 2, 1 pi by 4, you will get what? 20 is a 400 into 2 into 1 pi plus 4, you will get LCM. I am doing LCM, nothing is difficult here, simplification only. And after that pi plus 4 is there, 220 is a minus 40 into, you will get, there is no 2, that's why you will get 2 into pi plus 4, that is 2 into pi plus 4. And here 2 pi plus 4 whole square is the LCM. Now as it is, what is that you will get, that is minus pi into 20 is a 400. I am writing like this, 400 pi.
Sir, pi plus 4 రాదు సార్.
Pi by?
Pi plus 4 రాదు.
Here?
Pi plus
Yeah,
4
very good, very good. Pi plus 4 you will not get. Why? Because already pi plus 4 whole square is there. That is, so 20, this is not 40, 20 is a 400 into 2. 800 only you will get. Pi plus 4 whole square already there. So, one more 2 you will get into 2. Since there is no 2 in the denominator. Okay now. And minus pi into 20 is a 400. So, 400 pi. Now, one more step, see carefully. 400 to the 800. So, 800 into pi. 800 4 ja. What is it? 8 4 ja 32. 3200 minus 8 2 ja. Step 2. Yeah, 400 to the 800 into pi, 400 to the 800 into 4, 8 4 is 32, 3200 and minus 800 and 2 ja 1600 minus 400 pi by 2 into pi plus 4 whole square. Now 800 pi minus 400 pi, which is equal to 400 pi, 3200 minus 1600, which will be plus 1600 by 2 into pi plus 4 whole square. We can take from numerator what 400 common. Taking 400 common, pi plus 4 4 ja plus 4 by 2 into pi plus 4 whole square. Here pi plus 4 one time cancel, 2 1 ja 2 200 ja cancel. So what is the remaining part? 200 numerator, denominator pi plus 4. This is the maximum area. Okay, so simplification, be careful when you are solving. Okay, చూసారు నాకే మిస్టేక్ పోతుంది. సో అట్లా when you are solving paper మీద చాలా బాగా చేసుకోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద maximum area and already we proved this area is maximum. Window problem, very very important. One more question I will explain here, then we can conclude with that question. Maxima minima chapter, question number 7th one. Yeah, one more very very important question. This is the last question for maxima minima for me, and these 8 questions enough. I think if you want any question, you can just send in the comment. I will explain you the question. See question, a wire of length L, so is taking a wire. The length of the wire is given what? L centimeter, meter, whatever it is. Cut into 2 parts. So the wire cut by 2 parts, which is bent in the form of a square and a circle. So 2 parts bent in the form of, one is square, one is circle. First of all, we will draw the diagram. One part of the wire bent like a square, one part of the wire bent like a circle. Square, I am taking the side as x, then all will be x only, and the circle I am taking the radius as r. These 2 parts made with the L with length, with the wire with the length of L. Wire length L cut into 2 parts, one is bent into as a square and one is bent into a circle. He is asking what are the lengths of the pieces. So he is asking what is the length of this piece, this piece. Length means always perimeter. He is asking indirectly what is the perimeter of this square, what is the perimeter of the circle. And condition is given, so that the lengths of the areas, the areas of the wire, the areas of the pieces is what? Least. So we have to prove the sum of the areas of these pieces is minimum. Least means minimum. Just a second. Yeah. So we have to prove that the sum of the squares of the sum of the areas of these pieces is least. So first of all, the data what is given, I am writing wire length is L. L cut into two parts, na? One is square, one is circle. Let x be side of square and r be radius of circle. X is the side of the square, then perimeter of a square will be 4x. Area of square will be x square. Perimeter of circle will be 2 pi r. Area of circle will be pi r square. Given the length of the wire is what? L. We can write therefore L equal to perimeter of a square plus perimeter of circle, which is equal to what? 4x plus 2 pi r. Just keep aside. If we record anything, we can convert that. Okay now. So now one more step. L equal to 4x plus 2 pi r. Now the function is nothing but what? Sum of the areas. We have area of the circle, area of the square also. Now given f of x is equal to sum of the areas means one area is x square, one area is pi r square. Sum of the areas. We have to prove this is minimum, least. And also we have to find what is the length of this square, what is the length of this circle square, what is the length, what is the length of the square, what is the length of the circle also. Means we have to find separate perimeters also. So first of all, we need to convert r in terms of x. That's why I am writing r in terms of x. That will be, from this we can write, see, r we need in terms of x. So take x that side. 2 pi r equal to 2 pi r equal to L minus 4x. R equal to L minus 4x by 2 pi. Substitute this r here. Then f of x will be x square plus pi into r square, means L minus 4x whole square by 2 pi whole square will be 4 pi square. Just apply directly square. Already done 7 questions. Na? Apply directly square. Now 1 pi will get cancelled. Now which is equal to x square plus L minus 4x whole square by 4 pi. This is f of x. Now apply differentiation with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to x square derivation 2x and plus 1 by 4 pi is constant. L minus 4x whole square we have to apply x power n formula. Then you will get what? 2 into L minus 4x. For L minus 4x, L constant 0, minus 4x will be minus 4. And this minus 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. Okay, now what is left part? F dash of x is what? F dash of x is equal to 2x plus into minus 2 into L minus 4x by pi. This is f dash. Find f double dash also continuously. Differentiation with respect to x. F double dash of x is equal to 2x derivation 2 minus 2 by pi is constant. For L minus 4x, L derivation 0, minus 4x will be minus 4. Now which is equal to 2 minus into minus plus 4, 2 4s are 8 by pi. Clearly f double dash of x is greater than or less than greater than 0. Why? Because all are positive, greater than 0. Greater than 0 means least or greatest, least only. Therefore we can write what? F of x means this only. F of x means sum of the areas is least or minimum. Whatever it is, the meaning of both is same. Now we need to find separate lengths also. Na? For that, we need to make f dash of x is equal to 0. For that, what you will get? 2x minus 2 into L minus 4x by pi is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 2 into L minus 4x by pi. Both side 2 will get cancelled. We need to find what? Always x, but here 2 times of x. Pi take this side, that will be pi x is equal to L minus 4x. Take 4x this side. Pi x plus 4x is equal to L. Then take x common. pi plus 4 is equal to L, then x is equal to L by pi plus 4. Now come to separate lengths. First length. First length I am finding what? Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. What is perimeter of square is equal to 4x. It is equal to 4 into what is x? L into pi by 4. Pi plus 4. L by pi plus 4. Which is equal to 4L by pi plus 4. One length finished. More one length we need to find. What is second length? Perimeter of the circle. In perimeter of the circle we have 2 pi r. There is no x. But how we can find? Yeah, I will tell you. See, we know perimeter of square plus perimeter of circle is equal to L. This formula we know. Already perimeter of square we have. We need to find perimeter of circle, na? So perimeter of circle is equal to L minus perimeter of square. We can write. Then substitute here, finish. That is L minus 4L by pi plus 4. LCM pi plus 4. This L into pi plus 4 minus 4L, which is equal to pi L, pi into L, pi L plus 4L minus 4L by pi plus 4. This 4L will get cancelled. So which is equal to pi L by pi plus 4 is one more length. Now you have two lengths. This is one length. This is one more length. If you have any doubt, just add those two. You should get the length, wire length. Verification. What is that? 4L by pi plus L, pi L by pi plus L, LCM pi plus L, 4L plus pi L, taking L common pi plus 4 by taking L common pi plus 4. What is the denominator? Pi plus 4, right? Pi plus 4, 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 pi plus 4 cancel. Left part is L. So that is the solution. So this is about maximum minima. So I upload already 5 videos I think. This also I will upload. So listen carefully once or twice and write notes and practice. Out of these 8 questions, ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక question exam లో వస్తుంది. That's why practice properly. The only process f of x, f dash of x, f dash of x equals 0 for maximum minima. I find f double dash of x. Substitute x value in f double dash of x. If you get less than 0 maximum, greater than 0 minimum. But అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ లో ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వడు, ఇలా 3 పార్ట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనమే ఫంక్షన్ ఫామ్ చేసుకోవాలి, తర్వాత డెరివేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. షేర్ టు maximum. If you need any topic problem, send in comments. I will explain you and I will